Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the main control board in your front-load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Unthread the screw to release the main control board housing from the side rail. Note the orientation of the wire connectors, then use a small flathead screwdriver to help disconnect them. This may require some effort. Release the housing cover and detach the control board from the housing. Note the orientation of the remaining wires, then disconnect them. Install the new main control board by first connecting the wire connectors to the terminals at the top of the board. Secure the board in the housing. Close the cover. Then connect the remaining wire connectors to the board. Align the housing on the side rail and thread the screw to hold it in place. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and your front-load washer should be ready for use.